Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to work with a kernel density estimation plot, or let's say KDE plot. So here is my KDE plot and we're going to learn how to plot that. First of all, we are importing the necessary libraries. Then we are setting the Seaborn theme for better visualization. So we're having the set theme function from the Seaborn library. Style equals white grid, then the palette is muted and the font is serif. Then we start generating our data. In order to ensure reproducibility, we use the seed function from the NumPy library. So whenever I run the code, I see the same set of data. But if I don't have that line, whenever I run the code, I see a new set of data being generated. Okay. Then after that, we are going to have the data A, and we are going to generate 500 points with the mean of 50 and the standard deviation of 10 using the normal generation from the NumPy library. So the data A is generated with this policy, and we are having data B being generated again using the normal distribution from the NumPy library, but this time we are having the average of 60 and the standard deviation of 12, while we are having the same number of points, which is 500. Then we are having the labels for groups. So we would like to have two groups, group A and group B. So we are having 500 points as the data A, 500 points as the data B. So in total, we are having 1000 points. And I would like to have 500 points for the group A and 500 points for the group B. And we are using the array function from the NumPy library. So we are creating a NumPy array and assigning it the name of categories. Then we are going to have the data frame being called df. So I call the data frame function from the Pandas library, where we are having the values being concatenated for the data A and data B. So we are merging these two data sets, data A and data B. And for categories, we are having the categories that we generated here. So first of all, let's see the output of the data frame. So here is my data frame. There are two columns, value and categories. So we are going to have 500 group A and then 500 group B. Okay, so in total we are having from 0 to 999, which is 1000. Then we are having again 1000 values. Okay, 1000 values are being generated here, and the data that is generated, we see that they are concatenated here. So we are having 500 here and 500 here, but all in all we are having from 0 to 999 that we see here in the output. Okay, so this was my data frame. Now I would like to create a figure and axis. In order to do that, I use the fig and ax and then use the subplot function from the Matplotlib library, and we are having a figure size of 8 by 5 inches. Then we are going to create the KDE plot using the Seaborn library. So the data in the plot equals the df data frame, x equals values. We are having different colors for different categories. Then we are having the adjust bandwidth because it's a smoothing factor here that we are having it. Then we would like to, as you see, we are filling under the curve. Okay, in order to do that, we are having the fill equals true. So fill equals true is going to help us to have the filling under the curve. Then we are having the transparency level here. It's 0.5. We can adjust it as we want. We are having the line thickness, so it equals 2. Then we are having the assignment to matplot axis. So let me first comment the data frame. Okay, so when I run, okay, Now I would like to set the title, which is KDE plot example. So KDE plot example with the font size of 14. We are having it here. Then we are having the X label and Y label. So value range and density. So value range and density. And also the font sizes, both of them are 12. Then we are having the legend, which is here. Legend is here and here, and we are having the grid for y-axis with dashed line and the transparency of 0.7. And finally we plot the figure, the KDE plot, using the show function from the Matplotlib library, and we see it here. So in this video we learned how to create a kernel density estimation plot in Seaborn library. Thank you for watching.